Hello, everyone. In the summer, we should eat more winter melon. Today, I'm going to share a new and different way to cook winter melon. No stir-frying, no stewing. Many people have never made it like this. First, prepare a piece of winter melon. Peel off the skin, cut it in half, then into quarters, and remove the soft inner pulp. Slice it into thin pieces, but not too thin. Just try to cut them evenly. After slicing, cut them into thin strips. Summer winter melon is very fresh, and it's good to let your family eat more of it because it's great for our health. After cutting, add it into a bowl. Add 1 spoon of salt and mix it well with your hands. Rub until the salt dissolves and draws out the moisture from the winter melon. This will make the next steps easier. After mixing, set it aside to marinate for 10 minutes. Next, prepare a piece of fresh lean pork. Slice it thinly, then chop it into minced meat. Try to chop it by hand so it keeps a little texture. It tastes better that way. Put the minced meat into a bowl. Now prepare half a carrot. Slice it thinly, then cut into thin strips, and finally chop into small cubes. Place it on a plate for later. Next, peel a few cloves of garlic. Slice them first, then mince them finely. Prepare a piece of ginger. Slice it. Cut into thin strips, and then chop into tiny pieces. Place into another plate. Now prepare some green onions. Separate the white and green parts. Chop the white part first, and place it on a plate. Then chop the green part and put it into a bowl. Let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add 2 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, half a spoon of dark soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, 1 spoon of chicken essence, a bit of salt, 1 spoon of sugar, and 1 spoon of starch. Add a small bowl of water and stir until everything dissolves. Preparing the sauce beforehand makes cooking faster. Set it aside. Now the winter melon has finished marinating. Look, a lot of water has come out. Grab a handful and squeeze out the liquid as much as possible. After squeezing, put it into a large bowl. Loosen the strips with chopsticks. Then crack in 4 eggs. Mix well until the eggs and winter melon combine, like what you see in the video. Add 1 spoon of starch and mix well. This helps the winter melon and egg form better when frying. Heat a pan and add a little oil. Pour in the winter melon egg mixture. Use a spatula to shape it into a large round pancake. Once the bottom sets, rotate the pan so it cooks evenly. Make sure to fry on low heat to avoid burning. When one side is done, use a plate to help flip it over and fry the other side until golden and crispy. This winter melon egg pancake will be crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Super fragrant and delicious. When it's done, remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. Heat another pan with a little oil. Add the minced meat and stir fry on medium heat until it becomes fragrant and changes color. Dear friends, since you've watched this far, if you find my video helpful, please tap that like button. Thank you so much. Once the meat is cooked, add the chopped green onion whites, ginger, and garlic. Stir fry until aromatic. Then add the carrot and continue frying until it softens. Finally, pour in the sauce and bring it to a boil over high heat. Stir continuously to prevent burning. Cook until the sauce thickens and the ingredients absorb the flavor, just like in the video. Turn off the heat and pour the sauce over the fried winter melon pancake. Wow, it smells incredible and looks so delicious. Sprinkle some chopped green onions on top. And that's it. A very tasty minced meat winter melon pancake is ready. The texture is soft and silky, and with the addition of carrot, minced meat, and eggs, it's very nutritious. Perfect for both the elderly and children. All right, if you like this recipe, save it and give it a try. That's all for today's video. See you next time.